Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pida ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate shilong.
Hakom gani kapor baki Paidbah ki kulomar jimon namar ka jing hangsnong haka jala Meghalaya, ban khangla na ka jing sapryang ukunyang jingpang COVID-19. Haka khatnyaw trek mataw na yayong arpo, ka sorkar jala kalashim yakaray, ka batmay, kata ban pleno yaki Dukan debam haki yokihan, haka baki nong de Dukan bam. We have decided
that the grocery shops and essential commodities will be now open for 4 days in a week. So that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is being done to ensure that there is more time being given to the people so that they can buy without having to crowd the locations. At the same time, we are also ensuring that for the wholesaler shops, the rest of the 3 days will be used. This will not be for public, but this will be mainly for the wholesalers and the retailers so that the stocks can be, increased by the retailers in different locations. So the wholesaler shops will be open for 3 days. That's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and mainly for the public, it's going to be 4 days, which is Monday to Thursday, from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.